Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Day Struggle. I know it's been a bit since I've recorded a video, so I thought let's do a video that I'm most comfortable with, which is basically live coding. It's not exactly live coding. I basically built out features for my SaaS application called Reach, and today we're going to build something very interesting. So it's called it's basically the analytics part. So let me share my screen and explain it better. So what I basically do is I have this repository setup, which is Reach Page Analytics. It's a very simple Flask application. As you can see, it's got like four routes for now, and I calculate things like views, clicks, unique views, unique clicks, and something like called a CTR. So CTR is basically click-through rate. It accounts to, or basically it condenses down the number of views that convert into clicks. So that's basically like which is like clicks by views into 100. So yeah, very simple analytics for now. So I have this Flask API ready. I have a bunch of tools working on it and stuff. So a few things before I start, a few technical, design decisions that I made. So if you guys have been following my journey of building Reach, which I'm actually doing a terrible job at recording because I recently started getting it's been a few months since I joined my company, which is Studio. So now the comfort period is over and I'm actually getting work. So I'm not able to get any time during weekdays to work on Reach. I am working on Reach. I'm getting barely some time to work on Reach, but it's not enough to record a video because to record a video I need the room to myself. Like generally I have my friends over or have people over. I need a quiet environment. So like you can see I'm recording this at 4:20 or 4:30 in the morning. And yeah, I've been able to work, but I've not been able to record stuff. So in those been able to work times, I've made this application. And so again, coming back to where I was. So if you guys have followed Reach, I have been mostly working on a Postgres database, which is hosted on Railway. But because analytics would be recording events very quickly, so every time someone views the page or every time someone clicks on something, it needs to record. So I needed a place to dump a lot of data and dump a lot of data quickly. So MongoDB is actually not just MongoDB, but NoSQL database is actually very good at recording such things. So basically, they're very good at writes, very performant at writes. Write takes barely any time. So that's why I decided to go with MongoDB. And plus, aggregations in MongoDB are much easier. I mean, yeah, you can write SQL queries for it, but I have had more experience writing aggregations for Mongo and NoSQL. So given I would be running a lot of aggregations on this, I used Mongo. As you can see, I had a crash 2 hours ago. I had tried to deploy something new and it crashed. I've seen why. Check it out. Deploy logs, blah blah, type object is not separable. Okay. Okay, I know why that happened. That's a simple fix. I can fix it locally. But anyways, this service is not able to talk to MongoDB, which is hosted in the same environment per se or in the same project in Readway terms. So we're anyways not going to use the production server to, not the production, but the cloud server to connect. So what I'm trying to do on this, while recording this video is basically, uh, how do I say this? Add HTTP calls to my next.js app, which is the actual service that shows up pages, so which renders out the SSG pages. So I'll be making those changes today. And yeah, let's dive right in. So one cool thing I did to make my development quicker was I made this small command line tool. Let me just resize the window quickly. Only if I can find my mouse. This is a big problem with using multiple monitors. I use three monitors, like two big monitors in my laptop screen. So I tend to lose track of, my cursor, like my cursor a lot of times. Yeah, so I want the UI, I want the orthodoxy, I want the page servers and page analytics. I want all these things running. Do I want the UI though? I don't want the UI. I want these things running. I want page running. Yeah, orthodoxy page, yes. Yeah, so this is a very, very simple, very small, you know, command line tool that I wrote. It helps me jumpstart a bunch of services at once on my local. So, yep, this is my page procedures running here. This is my page server next.js app. This is the thing that we're working on today. This is, yeah, this is my analytics, and this is the auth proxy. So this is the proxy. So hopefully I would not have to check logs on these two. I'm gonna shove them aside. I am definitely gonna need logs on this. So let's keep this here. Let's keep these two as big. So can exit this. Let's make this big so I can track the logs on this, and let's make this big so I can track the logs on this. Perfect. Let me quickly shoot. Yeah, let me quickly shoot this, and these should be working. So, okay, that should not have happened. I got a result here, but did not get a result here. That's bad. No logs either. Okay, anyway, still this is happening. I'll show you what the MongoDB structure looks like. So basically you have these things: page ID, timestamp, user agent, IP info, and link. So link is, I actually don't want the link thing, so I will remove it later on. But all of these information I do need. So yeah, this is what the click looks like, and view is actually exactly similar, but I wanted them on different collections. So yeah, right now I'm not tracking anything else, so this is pretty simple. Go back to my Postman. I got an error. SSL handshake failed. Yeah, this happens. Okay, let's open PyCharm. Let's just fix this first. Not been happening. I have done all of this. Let me quickly check my environment variables. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Seems correct. The user and password seem correct. Okay. So not able to connect to my database, which is bad. Having a SSL error. This is really bad. Okay, let's get into PyCharm and let's figure out why that's happening. Should not fix anything, it should give me the same error again. But why am I having that Google that error as well? SSL handshake failed. Yep, same error. So blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Few reasons: incorrect MongoDB URL. That's my MongoDB URL is correct. Network issues, internet access. Even MongoDB has these connections. You may need to configure. Okay, let's try adding this. It should have worked. It's gonna fail because it doesn't take that much time. I barely have like two documents, so it should not take that much time. And this aggregation is pretty simple. It's a very simple aggregation. That's sad. I was testing this like an hour or two ago, and it was working. Ah, okay. You know what? I can run a MongoDB instance locally. Let's just run Mongo locally. Blah, 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 blah. MongoDB community with Docker. Yes, let's do that. Docker pull. I have to Docker daemon running, right? I do not have Docker daemon running. This was not how I planned this to start, but okay. Let's run. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. It should expose the port for me. Hmm, okay. Only if I could type in it. I had this problem with. Okay, I have a bunch of images. What do I have? I have MySQL. Local stack is a pretty cool thing. Guys should check it out. It's a very, very cool thing. But yeah, this is the one that I'll run. Uh, did it run? Not sure. Blah blah blah. Okay, I can do this. Perfect. Session secret apparently. App code I don't care about. I just need the MongoDB URI. I can't call it. I don't think I can ping it either. I can't ping it. That is all unknown host. Okay. I do not have Mongo shell if I'm. No, I don't have that. Okay. Again stop sharing. Like stop presenting my screen. Replace the MongoDB URI here. Okay. Hmm. Okay, wait. Do we use MongoDB and DB file set? Is it blah blah? Hmm. And connection refused. Yep. Um, wait, what? Okay, it was running. So just go to the dashboard, fill the containers. Hmm. I am sad. I am sad. Okay. Not really sure how to fix this. Let's see. Network access. Okay. How about I an IP address and I just do okay. That should not be the issue, but God knows. No, that won't work. Just source it again. Oh, yeah, it worked. Damn, that's weird. Just I don't know. I'm on the same network. I was using my personal Wi-Fi earlier. I'm using my personal Wi-Fi now. Did not restart my laptop. Did not. I don't know. Just weird. Okay. Anyways, so I have these five APIs, but right now I'm just gonna use these two APIs. Also, yeah. Wait, I remembered. So the link that we saw here for database and browse collections. So you'll see views does not have a link object, like a link key, but clicks does. So that link is basically the link that we are clicking. This will all make sense. Actually, I can make. So let's start in that case. Let's just open up each page server. Yep. Life is weird, guys. Life is weird. I don't know. That worked earlier, that didn't work now. God knows what the hell is going on, but okay. Let's start with, and let's just see if first let's check if it's working. So we'll just do a one dev. Wow, okay. Ek to I don't know where all these services are running because I'm not running anything on 3001. If I'm pretty sure I'm not. Oh wait. Oh, Reachbase server is already running. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I am running something. Okay, so I should be able to go to localhost 3001. And yeah, so this whatever you see here, this is all generated. And how is that generated? Let me just go into Beekeeper. Beekeeper is basically the SQL UI I use. And if I go into path, sheets, post tab, yeah. So if I go into something called templates, right? And I try to show you stuff here, you can see the name, the description, the button type. So this is 49, right? Let's change this to 51 and apply this change. If I go in here, I reload this page, I should have a different kind of, you know, button. So all of this UI is actually generative. So it looks at the templates and the links and the data that has to render, it renders that out. So let's change this back to 49. And apply. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do now is, now one thing is obviously as soon as the page loads, I just want to hit the add view API. So again, if I go into this, you can see there's add view API and then there's add clicks API. So these are the only two things I want to do for now. And then accordingly, it should show up everything in my what do we call this? In my analytics. So go in here and let's go to public. Okay, not public. Pages. I have one file called route.tf, and let's start adding stuff here. Okay, so I'm very new to Next, and I know Pages is not the right way to do it, but Pages directory is what I knew how to do. Like I have not yet worked with like the app directory or the app router, and to be very honest, I haven't had the chance to go through RSCs, and I didn't want to debug everything for that RSC. So I mean, I didn't want to learn RSC right now because I'm for work. I'm mostly working on backend, and even on front end, I don't think our front end team has migrated to RSC yet because RSC is pretty new and Twilio is a very big company. So I don't see it being useful anytime soon. But yeah, of course, I will learn RSCs and I'll probably do that on video. But for now, I'm using Pages and I'm using a bunch of get static paths and get static props because it's all SSG. Um, yeah, so there are only two sections, header section. It's funny how there's a head section and a header, but yeah, I should probably rename this to. Oh, okay. Head section is basically, I think, the head tag. Yeah, it's the head tag with the title and everything. Header is the actual header, and then links are rendered out like this. So this button is a custom button I added. And yes, I already have OP for analytics, operation for analytics. So first thing I'm gonna do is go to the let, I'm not sure if I can show you the CNV. So let me just. Oh yeah, I can. It's just localhost. App domain. Meh. Um, don't ask me about 4050 because I don't have a good reason. The only reason I have is I'm running too many microservices and I'm running out of ports. 4050. I did think of using 420, but then I'm not very sure with three-digit ports that generally reserved for something or the other. And funny thing, Apple AirPlay, the fancy, image pro like the broadcasting kind of thing that Apple has, actually runs on 5000. And if you run a Flash server on 5000, it actually gives you a line saying if the server is not running, try turning off AirPlay because AirPlay runs on 5000. And I mean, it's kind of oopsies on Apple's part because 5000 is a very common port for, development purposes. So I don't know what they were thinking, just blocking off 5000 on the machines. But yeah, whatever. Let's go ahead. Let's start with this. Now that I have a env variable, I can go ahead and just do a normal fetch call to process.env dot, what did I name it? Analytics domain? What did I name it? Analytics domain, and it's gonna be a method of post, and I need a few things, very small things. Um, okay, first of all, this complaining. Why are you complaining, buddy? No overload matches. Me. Okay. It's click slash clicks, and I don't need anything. What the hell? Special Apache open. Yep. Let's check out. Ah, ah. Go to App.py and clicks. Yes. It needs these three things. User agent actually just needs two things. User agent is by default filled up, so page and link is what it needs. So we're gonna give it that. Try search patterns. Uh, link. Yeah, okay, so I have a dilemma now. I can either put string-based, tag to links, but I think ID is better, so I'm gonna go for IDs. Go in here, I'm sorry, let's go in here and let's pass new params to this. Sorry, new props to this, which would be ID, and this can be link dot only if I have types on this, which should give me, okay, let's say link dot link and page route, which can just be page dot route. Yep. Blah, blah, blah. The ID is not existent type, that's fine. Page route also does not exist. Why not complaining about that? Never mind. Let's start adding these things. I know this is a bad way of doing it, and I'm gonna fix it. So this can go away. React dot props, and let's look at what this has. Props and blah blah blah. Okay, let us Google that. React components prop type. Dun, 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 dun. Think this is what I'm supposed to do. Let me just one sec. Let's get a content here. Div and then and yeah, okay. So this needs to be of type button and then do this, and I think I can remove class name from here. This should be fine, and I should be able to pass button props, and it should not complain about class name. See, everything works. And now what I can do is need the page route and the ID, page route and the ID. Great. Should be able to pass query parents. No, I forgot headers. No, not part of headers, right? query parents with fetch. People think all of these kind of things like fetch के सारे options या ये सब हमेशा हमें याद रखने चाहिए. But that's not really true. You can always Google, right? Just Google it off, like I am doing right now. So I can just do, oh damn, I can just do a question mark plus. Okay, didn't know it worked like that. But okay, if it works, it works. Fetch, but then that's fine. I'm gonna add a await for now. But honestly, what I want is I want to run this fetch command on a different worker thread. But for now, a fetch should be enough. And let's go in here. Let's open up the network tab. Where are you? Yes, second portfolio. Opens a new tab. That's fine. 405 for this. 405 for this. Why 405, bro? Why 405? Clicks. Whoa, what? Okay. What? I hit slash views question mark and it went to localhost 3001. Oh, I did not restart the server after putting in the new environment variables. This is it, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Fast try to do full reload, blah, blah, blah. If you want to write it to DOM, use origin true instead. I think I should add a origin true. I will do that. It's fine. Exit. Do it again. You can click off. 405 again. Okay. Again, it's under request to 3001. But the query parents are correct. I mean, they were correct last time as well, but it's fine. And link was the actual link. That is incorrect. So let's go back. Let's go to route. And let's see. ID was link.link. Nope. ID is going to be link.id. That fixes that. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know. I know. I know. I know. Next environment variables. They need to be something called next public or something like that, right? Videos, blah blah blah. Blah blah. Next public analytics ID. Yep. Let's see. Go in here. Add variables. See buttons and yep, you can be this. I hate you. You can be this. And what I need to look for is also let's just search for process.env. Yeah, these two should also change to next public. Okay. I think that's why it was not building in production. Sometimes I'm so dumb. I mean, these things I know, but I still mess up. I don't know how. Let's give you actually, before I do that, let's also find the cross origin thing. Not here. What? Okay, that's weird. Oh, yeah, it's here. Okay. So cross origin equal to true. Wow. True. That's what you told me to do, right? Yeah, okay. And yeah, from the server again, it should have the new environment variables. It should not complain about full reload. Okay, had to home. Okay, sure. Why not? So in here, f off, f off, and let's reload for good measures. Remove this, remove that, and click on portfolio. It failed. Okay, failed to fetch. Why? Bunch of shit here. Let's go in here. It went to the right place. It could be that 4050 might not be the right port. You are not running here. You are running here, and you are running at 4050. Yes, you are running at 4050. It gave a 405. I sent a post request. Oh, fuck, it's a get request. It's not a post request. Go to button. Let's go in here and make this to get. And now if I clear this off and send a request, it's pending. It complains again. Why do you complain? It gives me a CORS error. Console. Blah 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 blah. CORS, no access policy fetch. That is fine. What do I get here? And 200 from here though. What? What? Okay. Okay. So use it. It added the database entry. Okay. I mean, let's just add Flask CORS and give it a shot. Flask CORS. Where are you? Here are you. CORS. Array. CORS. Install Flask CORS. This. Control C. Requirements.txt. Ooh, shit. Too many requirements. Not actually using so many, but meh. Let's just do a CORS. Ask what happened to it. I think that's the correct way of doing it, but we shall figure out. Okay, let's reload this, clear it off, and blah. Worked here, it worked here. I should have gotten another database entry here. Where's the refresh button? Okay, simple. Two of these. And now, if I run my analytics, get unique views, clicks actually, and send should, fuck. Yeah, my aggregation is kind of fucked. I need to fix my aggregations, but meh. Okay, done, 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 done. And let's go to route.txt. Let's add a use effect to you. Use effect. I don't want any side effects. I just want to do a quick fetch call to, you know what? I'm just gonna copy, paste my button. Where are you? Button. I'm gonna copy. Oh yeah, this is not a good way of doing it. I did not realize I was doing that. Yep, gonna copy all of this. Let's go in here, F off here. I don't want that to wait. Let us have it in the background. This will go to you. Oh, wait. Should be clicks, not views. And now let's cross check this. Let's run this. Still one. Yeah, because this is different. So if I do a watch rate struggle here now, it's still one views. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I can cross check that. Let's go here. Yep, let's fix that while we're here. Page out is fine. Let's focus. Okay, on this. I don't need this. Page route will change to page dot route. This, blah, blah. Now I should be capturing clicks. So I click one here, click one here. Yeah, I should definitely not have that ad there. And you can see two. Now if I refresh, I should have four, and my unique clicks should go up. Okay, I have four, and if I go to Postman again and I hit the unique clicks, and I send, nope, my aggregations are messed up. I need to fix my aggregations. Um, make this quicker. I should have also technically gotten a view. I mean, what's that called? Unique uh, page. Yeah, page was sent, but it was sent twice. Click clip was sent twice. That's fine. The IDs are different, but the views was sent twice, and I have to make this once, and that should be done by disabling strict mode. Uh, next.js use effect running twice. Blah 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 blah. This is a very simple solution to it, which I don't remember. Order exports. Yes. Just need to do this and next config. Array strict mode can be done false. Be fine. Let's go to the server. It should have restarted the whole thing. Just for safety, I restart it again. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. Reload. I should have gotten one view. Yes. Yes. Perfect. 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 Done. One thing I want to test is I want to go in button, remove the await, and look at how much time it takes now. It should be immediate. Yeah, and it should send the request anyways. Perfect. Perfect. Like basic analytics done. It's that easy. I mean, recording basic analytics is done, and now my CTR should also be working given my aggregation is correct. Few changes I want to do now is since I am already working on the next page server, let's go into GitHub. Array, go into projects, go into read systems to be done. This should have been sorted. Let's just for the sake of it, let's also fix hmm, production build issue. Do a quick GP. So in here, let's go to railway. I need to stop the new build if it starts. Yeah. Yeah, you need to chill out, buddy. Abort. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Yes. What I need is let's go to where are you? Let's go in here. This is bad railway. I mean, I'm pretty sure no one's watching, but railway, if you're watching, fix this. Metrics, settings. Yeah, copy this, close this. Where are you, bacha? Where are you? It's a variables. Oh, actually, I have a secret token. What? For what? I don't know. It's fine. This needs to be edited, but the name of the variable needs to be edited. That's fine. I can just delete the variable. I can create a new variable called next public API domain. The value goes in here. Add this. I add another new variable which is going to be next public analytics domain. I need to check something. View, this is the auth proxy one, correct? Uh, yeah, this is gonna be bad. This settings, copy it again. Let's go to this variables and array. This I can redeploy. It got pushed, but this did not start redeploying. So mm, optimize based functions and variable settings. Disconnect that. Connect environment to branch. Connected. And this should now create a new deployment. Uh, okay. Oh no, I do not want a redeployment in this because I want to fix something first. This will change into the tuple type coming from uh, typings.tuple. Yeah, now it should not complain. Okay, this is started building. This is being rebuilt. Let's check out page server. Let's check out the logs because I want to see if that one page was built on build logs. Come on, come on. Okay, blah 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 blah. Pushing is fine. Show me what pages you built. Yes, it did build that one page, so that's perfect. Perfect. This should have started a new build. Yeah, this is still gonna fail. Like if I try to go to the page that was just built by the breach page server, it's not gonna work. But let's see. But yeah, that was it for this video, guys. I am not gonna be building the aggregations on this video because there's actually a lot that I want to learn about the Mongo aggregations. Because I mean, I told you guys that I'm comfortable with them, I've worked with them before, but that was a long time ago. That was like I think second year of college. So I'll sit down, learn a little bit more about Mongo aggregations, practice like not practice, but try them out, and accordingly, I will, sorry, I will go ahead and edit those aggregations. And next video will probably be adding more analytics. So I have a few things in mind, like not adding more analytics, but not collecting more data, but getting more data out of what I already have. So, like the endpoints that I already have. So I have something called, so I have things like unique clicks, right? It just gives me the unique views and unique clicks and stuff. So I want to add, let's add a readme to this. So okay, check the readme. I want to add things like give me all of my views uh, based on the location, based on the user agent, rank all my links based on based on the number of clicks, and yeah, basic things like that. So, that is about it. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.